How to make your iPhone vibrate in silent mode. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Settings. Inside Settings, scroll below and then simply tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now under Sounds and Haptics, scroll below and then tap on Haptics. Now inside here, you will be able to find a toggle option between Always Play and Play in Silent Mode. You need to go and simply select Play in Silent Mode to make your phone vibrate when it's in silent mode. Now, go back to Main Settings, tap on Notifications, scroll down to Phone, and then tap onto it. Now tap on Sounds at the very top, and just like that, choose the haptic option you prefer for calls or messages. Now in the Sounds and Haptic Patterns sections, choose the vibration you like for incoming calls or text. Your iPhone will now vibrate in silent mode whenever you get a call or message. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel.